Hello student, good morning. Welcome in 9th lecture of fraction and decimal. Now today we have to start exercise number 2.3. First question is the find. First question is 1/4 of sub questions. 3 sub questions are given. Now we simplify one by one. It is very easy to understand these questions. Now question number A, we have to find out 1/4 of 1/4. 1/4 of means multiplication 1/4. Make a multiplication of these two fractions. 1 into 1 1 divided by 4 into 4 60. So 1/4 of 1/4 is equals to 1/60. Second B question. Question B, we have to find out 1/4 of 3/5. 1/4 of means multiplication 3/5. Make a calculation here. Make a multiplication of these two fractions. 1 multiplied by 3, that is equals to 3, divided by 4 into 5, 20. So 1/4 of 3/5 is 3/20. After that, question number C. Question number C, we have to find out 1/4 of 4/3. Make a multiplication here. 1/4 multiplied by 4/3. Make multiplication of these two fractions. 1 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 4, divided by 4 into 3, 12. Now 4/12, simple form of 4/12 is 1/3. Very easy question to understand. Okay. Now see question number second of first. Now we have to find out in this question. First of all, the solution. We simplify a question. We have to find out 1/7 of 2/9. 1/7 of 2/9, that is equals to 1/7 multiplied by 2/9. Make a multiplication of these two fractions. 1/7 multiplied by 2/9, 1 into 2, 2 divided by 7 into 9, 63. So the final answer is 2/63. Question number B, we have to find out 1/7 of 6/5. 1/7 of 6/5 means 1/7 multiplied by 6/5. Make a multiplication here again. 1 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 6, divided by 7 into 5, 35. So the final answer will be equal to, yes, 6/35. After that, question number C. Question number C, 1/7 of 3/10. 1/7 multiplied by 3/10. Make a multiplication here. 1 into 3, 3, divided by 7 into 10, 70. So the final answer will be equal to 3/70. In this way, we complete first two questions. Now we have to see question number second. Now student, we have to see second question. Second question is multiply and reduce to a lowest form. First question is 2/3 multiplied by convert this mixed fraction. 3 into 2 6, 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3. Okay. After that, make a multiplication of these two fractions. 2 into 8 16 divided by 3 into 3 9. We get 16 divided by 9. Now we can convert 16 by 9 into a mixed fraction. Make a division, divide 16 by 9. 9 बदला 9. 16 minus 9, we get 7. So the mixed fraction of this 16 by 9 will be one integer 7 by 9. Understand? After that, question number second. Question number second, 2 by 7 multiplied by 7 divided by 9. Here we can cancel out this 7 7. So the numerator of this fraction will be 2 and denominator will be 9. So the final answer of second question is 2 by 9. It is very easy question. Now see question number third. Question number third. Make a multiplication in numerator. 3 into 6 18 divided by 8 into 4 32. Now these two values 18 and 32 are divisible by 2, so we can convert it into a simple form. 18 divided by 2 9 and 32 divided by 2, that is 69 by 16. So the simple form of the third question will be 9 by 16. After that, fourth question. Fourth question, make a multiplication in numerator first of all. 9 into 3, 27. Divided by 5 into 5, 25. Now we can convert 27 by 25 into a mixed fraction form. So make a division here. Divide 27 by 25. 25 under 25. 27 minus 25, we get remainder 2. So the mixed fraction will be 1 integer 2 by 25. Okay? Mixed fraction of this 1 integer 2 by 25. Here we take first 4 question of second. Now we have to see remaining question. Now students, our second question is going on and we have completed fourth question. Now we have to see question number 5th. Question number 5th is 1 by 3 multiplied by 15 by 8. Now here we can make a calculation. 3 1 are 3, 3 5 are 15. Okay, so the numerator will be 1 multiplied by 5, 5 divided by denominator will be 1 multiplied by 8, 8. So final answer of this question will be 5 by 8. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is 11 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 10. Now make a multiplication of these two fractions. 11 into 3, 33. Divided by 2 into 10, 20. We can convert it into a mixed fraction form. Divide 33 by 20. 20 1 are 20. 33 minus 20, that is equals to 30. So the mixed fraction of 33 by 20 will be 1 integer 13 divided by 20. Okay? Now last question of second. 4 by 5 multiplied by 12 by 7. 4 divided by 5, 4 by 5 into 12 by 7. Make a multiplication of these two fractions. 12 4 the 48. divided by 7 5 are 35. Now we can convert it into a mixed fraction. Now convert it into a mixed fraction. Or the both values are divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. So we can convert it into a mixed fraction. Now divide 48 by 35. 35 होगा 35. 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 3, 1. So the mixed fraction of 48 by 35 is one integer 13 divided by 35. That is the mixed fraction of question number 7. So student, in this way today we have completed first two questions of exercise number 2.3. I hope you understand. If you are in any